In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the hidden PS5 web browser quick and easy. But before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But in this video, we're going over how you can access the hidden web browser here on your PS5. This is by far one of the most requested tutorials I've ever had here on this channel, but keep in mind it is kind of difficult, so make sure you watch all the way through the video. Here is the most simple method to instantly open up Google on your PS5 and browse it here in full screen. Let's go ahead and dive into this. The first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually create a group chat in Gamebase. To do this, go ahead and hit the PlayStation button and go to Gamebase down here. And go ahead and click on this new message section here. From here, just go ahead and choose one of your friends on here, or even just message yourself, hit OK. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is in the chat, type in a URL. So for example, you can go ahead and type in something like google.com and then go ahead and hit send just like so. Now, if you do get this issue that says message deleted by PlayStation safety, it means that that site is currently blocked within the chat. The best way to work around this is by putting in a different web browser link within there. So for example, use something like Microsoft Edge, yahoo.com, something like that, in order to first go ahead and access the browser. A good way to go ahead and work around this itself is by putting in the official PlayStation website. So go ahead and put in PlayStation.com because PlayStation won't actually block their own website just like so. And then from here, you can access a standard web browser from doing so. As you can see, I was able to load into this one just like so by clicking on it. You just have to click on it quickly just in case anything happens. But from here, in order to actually go ahead and get in full screen, you can actually switch to a full screen mode by clicking the options button here and then using zoom. But yeah, that's how you can actually browse a web browser here on your PlayStation 5 without hitting any constant errors. If this video did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.